welcome to another night in the shop. I'm Fred. So I figured out a way to adjust the table angle. Basically the old method I had, using a bar, notching it and putting a couple screws on there, and then that secures it. So I've done some modifications, and I got a piece in the mill. We're just going to center it up, and we're going to start cutting that long slot to make adjustments for the table. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, I'm just going to center up my work here. Change this out here. Get the new collet in there. 3/8 so I can indicate it. Center. And once we got that, we'll put a milling bit in there. Okay, that's center. Perfect. All right. Go this side here. This is a 5/16 collet, ER32, and I got some of these really nice carbide cutters from a company. Just a minute, I'll tell you. Called Klondike Cutting Tool. They were on Amazon, so I bought a set of these mills here. These are 5 flute, good for hardened steel and aluminum. And we'll get some WD-40 here happening. That's my juice of choice for aluminum. All right. I've got my 2 marks where I need to go my distance, and block off that. All right. Let's get this thing at a high speed here. Okay, that should about do it. All right, some go-go juice. All right. Tour. Got to cut us 1/16 of an inch. This is a 1/4. Put a little bit of air on there to blow the chips out of the way. Just enough to make a mess on the table here. I think it's going to overshoot the mark, because the mark is dead on, just by about 1/4 of an inch. Always room for play. Okay, we're done here, guys. Guys, we're back. So, off the mill, and I got the welders fired up. Just gotta weld this little tab here. This would be the tab that this little handle here sits on to tighten up this bar. So I just gotta tack the screw into place and we're ready to rock and roll. Alright, hang in there. Okay, that's that. Where's my pliers? Over there. Oh yeah, she was smoke. Okay guys, we're back. I just cooled it off and then I had to re-clean that and give it a little bit of cleaning with some acetone. So yeah, we got her in place now. Let's pack this up and get her welded up. I'll weld that from the other side when I take this bar out. And yeah, she's a little toasty. We'll leave her as it is, but I'll give you an idea. So now I can move the head 90 degrees. Locking into place, and she's sturdy. And if I want to put different angles on her, I can tighten her up all the way till she gets to 0 there. Yeah, this is a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I can use it as an armrest in the long run. So yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with that. So that's what I'll leave it as is. Now I just got to make covers for the sides here and cover for the gearbox and the belt drive here. I'm going to make that out of aluminum as well. So yeah, that's about it for tonight, guys. Alright, hang in there. Okay guys, we're back. So I made this head so it will accept the plate from my lathe, which is a DI4. I can secure that on. Like I said, move this all the way down 90 degrees, which is right there. Tighten it up, and basically, if I got a piece of metal, I can hold it down with hold downs, or I can take that off, or feed a chuck on there, which a lot of the positioners have. This has reversible jaws, so I can go from the inside, I can go from the outside to hold material in place. I don't have anything round here. Okay, here we go. Something like that. So I wanted that, and I had to weld on something. I could weld it up or bring the jaws in very tight and use the top part of the jaw there. So that's the reason I did the head the way I did with a DI4 head, is so I could make the chucks and anything with a DI4 socket to fit in this. So yeah, so, leave that back up there. So yeah, that's the reason for that type of head. I don't know if the other manufacturers actually have that type of head on there. I think they just have a flat plate, and then some of them have jaws, some of them don't. Anyways, so that's the reason I did this design. And yeah, just gotta clean it up, maybe take it to work, glass bead it, put it back together, and paint her. All right, hang in there, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for tonight. So I've got the adjustment bar made, so I can tilt the head 90 degrees or back to 0. Works great. Yeah, it sticks out a little bit. Really not worried about it too much. It's sticking that down where I got a hand rest or an arm rest I can rest on. But yeah, the head for the chuck or for the faceplate off the lathe, I can stick on there, and that is a DI4 connection. My lathe has that connection. I've got the 10-inch chuck, I've got the 8-inch, and I've got the 6-inch here. So I can stick either one of those on there if I'm doing some big work, some small work. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. In my previous videos, you've seen me put stuff on there, but yeah, I just had to make it so I could pull it down 90 degrees. So, and that's done. Anyways, like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks, guys, for hanging in there. Send all your comments. All of them are greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. You guys have a great night. Bye for now.